how to create and add a voiceover in Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create and add a voiceover in Canva. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guide. So in order to create and add a voiceover to any of your Canva project, what you can do is, first thing, you need to open up your web browser and then head over to select the project or the presentation where you actually want to add a voiceover. So once you've opened up your presentation or the editing file, what you need to do is in the top right corner, you'll need to click on this option that is share. So as you click on share, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. You need to scroll down right to the bottom, and right at the bottom there will be an option as more. Click on it. Right on top you have an option as share, and under it there are a list of tools and icon. So then in the top right corner you'll be able to see an icon as present and record. Click on this option. Once you do this, there will be a confirmation. If you're sure about adding a voiceover, then click on go to recording studio. So right on top you'll be able to see an option as use camera. If you want to use your camera along with your voiceover, then click on allow. In case if you don't want to use your camera, only want an audio recording, then click on block. And once again you need to grant a permission to use your microphone as you're recording an audio, so click on allow. And after that, right in center, once again there will be a confirmation. And in order to start recording your audio, what you need to do is you need to select the default microphone, and after you select the microphone you need to click on start recording. So once you do this, the recording has started. And in case if you want to pause the recording, then click on this option in the top right, that is pause. And if you're done recording your audio, then click on end recording, and after that your recording will be uploaded. And after that you'll be asked whether you want to save or if you want to download it to the save folder. So in this way you can add or create a voiceover to your Canva. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.